Revelation, January 24, 2012, 3:55 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. God's emergency alert. In a vision on January 20th, 2012, a church leader shouts, "Emergency! Emergency! Tell the children emergency!" The leader further said, "Put it on the news, emergency!" The visionary awoke shouting the word, "emergency!" By the authority vested in us as ministers and brethren of the gospel of Jesus Christ, we are declaring God's emergency alert upon the earth. Unprecedented tragedies and calamities are imminent. We beseech mankind to repent, turn to Christ and exercise prudence in daily life. Proverbs chapter 22 verse 3. A prudent man foreseeth the evil, and hideth himself, but the simple pass on and are punished.